Welcome to the iTransact mobile app activation guide for iPhones and iPads. To begin, please download the iTransact app from the App Store. There are several apps available from iTransact. Please choose the app named iTransact. When you install the app, your iOS device will ask you to grant iTransact access to your microphone. If you will be using a swipe dongle reader to enter any card data, you should select OK. When you install the app, a helpful iTransact shortcut icon will appear on your touchscreen. Use this to access the iTransact app. When you first access the app, you will need to enter your login ID and password. Please use your 5-digit gateway ID and your gateway password for this. If you select Save Login, your device will save this information in your preferences and you will remain logged in until you choose to log out of the app. It will only prompt you for the login ID and password after you have logged out of the app. If you can't remember your password, please click the Forgot Password link. You'll be taken to the Password Reset tool. Enter your login ID and press the button, and an email will be sent to the address on file. Follow those directions to choose a new password. The last step that you will want to follow before you start processing transactions is to check your settings. You can access the app's settings by clicking on the arrow in the top right corner. Drop down that menu and choose Settings. The Settings area can be used to manage separate accounts if you are using the app for processing through multiple gateway IDs. This allows you to designate which gateway account that you want to process transactions through. To do so, simply click on the name of the gateway account that you want to process through. The settings area also allows you to review the app's user agreement. Once your settings are correct, you're ready to process credit cards. Go to the drop-down menu, click on the Home button, and you will be taken to the payment page. Processing credit card transactions through the mobile app is so simple. You have two options. You can type in the cardholder's account information, or if you have a compatible device, use one of our mobile swipe readers. That way, you can have the card data entered into the card field by simply swiping the card. Enter the amount and press Submit to charge the card immediately. However, we suggest that you click the down arrow to display the Details window. You can enter item details and cardholder data straight into the database. That way, if you ever need that information in the future, it's fully available to you. After you press Submit, you'll be prompted to make sure that you want to complete the transaction. Press OK to complete the process. If your transaction is declined or there's an error, a message similar to this will display. If your transaction is approved, you'll be shown this success message. Click OK to move to the receipt page. If you've added details or other information in the drop-down Details window, the corresponding fields will be populated. Pay attention to the amounts listed in the Attempted and Authorized fields. If you want to send this receipt to a customer, click the Email button and enter the customer's email address for quick delivery. The last feature we would like to highlight for you is the History tool. To access the transaction history, Click on the arrow in the upper right corner and choose History. The transaction history will display and show you transactions that have been attempted. This tool also allows you the ability to generate refunds for transactions. Simply click on the transaction that you want to refund and use the red Refund button. It will generate a refund directly back to your customer that will take approximately 2 to 3 business days to hit their account. And that's how simple it is to use the iTransact mobile app to process credit card transactions. We wish you much success and look forward to helping you as your trusted payment partner for many years to come.